Hello guys, this is an e-commerce website, suches.com. My name is Udo Emmanuel and I'm a web developer. I created this website and then it needs the products to be uploaded, and this client has a lot of products, and to be doing them one at a time is going to take a lot of energy and time. So I had to use the ProductSeeder to populate the database for the products. Now we're going to go over to the shop page. You can see the shop page is very blank. It just has only one product, which is a demo product. It's not a real product. So I'm going to delete it so we can be able to populate and add the fresh list of products. Okay, not all the products that they have, but some of them. In future, as time goes on, they can manually add more products as they deem fit. Okay, now I'm going to go over to the database. We need to clear out this demo product on the website first before we can now populate the products. Now we're logging in. This is currently localhost. The website is already hosted at the domain suches.com. Okay, but I have to test it on a local server first before we now upload it to the live server. Now you can see that one product. We need to delete it and have a fresh new products table. To do that, we need to go to operations and then go to truncate to clear out the table. Okay, now click on truncate, click on OK, and then we have an error. Okay, this is happening because the products table ID is used as a foreign key in another table. So what I'll need to do is just uncheck the enable foreign key check, and it's gonna work. Now once we've done that, the table is going to be very clear. It's going to be empty and free for us to now add the other products that we have. Okay, I'm going to go over to the terminal. I've already created my ProductSeeder file. Okay, what I'll just do is to run the command on the terminal. If you notice, I'm using Laragon. Okay, php spark db seed seed space, then the name of my ProductSeeder file, which is ProductSeeder. I'll just put it there and then press enter, and it is done. It has been seeded. Seeded means it has been created in the database. Now we're going to go back to the database. You can see all the products has been populated on the products table. We'll now go over to the shop. All the products are now here. Now I did not add the pictures because the pictures are not going to be on the assets folder. It is going to be in the uploads folder. Okay, so I'll manually upload the pictures for the products, and moreover the pictures for the products are not ready yet. So yeah, it's something I'm going to have to do later. Now I'm going to go over into the admin dashboard and then view the products. A total of 56 products, and we have low stock alert. That feature was also added, so we know when products are running down or running low on the website. Okay, and then I can see some products are 0 units for the stock. We're going to update that to at least 10, although 10 units also raise a low stock alert. Okay, when the product gets to 10, it raises the low stock alert. Now we've updated that. We're going to do it for all the products, so we don't have no low stock alert again. Okay, we just have only one because it's only 10. Now having done that, we're going to go over to the shipping zone. In the next videos, I'll be walking you through on the core functionalities of the admin dashboard and some other cool things